One of the things I love about my work is the diverse nature among the clients that I serve. And in the last couple of years, I've been serving more and more commercial clients. These are the contractors that work on the big industrial buildings, office buildings, hospitals, shopping malls, and it's a different type of customer. Rather than a residential customer, these technicians are dealing with a facilities manager or a maintenance engineer or a property manager, and there's a skill set because often there are tenants involved, and the soft skills and the customer service disciplines enable technicians to add extra value. The great thing is that my commercial clients are having record years in their sales of maintenance and new business. So that excites me, and I appreciate all of the diverse business. So I have lots more travel to do. If I'll be driving through any of your states, let me know. Check out the calendar on my website. You have a good day. You know that I will, and I'll be in touch soon.